Criminal Code of Cambodia, 2009, Corruption of Employee. Chapter 4. Corruption of Employee. Article 278, Corruption committed by an employee. The acts committed by an employee to solicit or accept a gift, a present, a promise or any benefit to perform or not perform his/her duty without the knowledge of the employer and without his/her consent, is punishable for an imprisonment of between 6 months and 2 years and a fine of between 1 million Riels and 4 million Riels. Article 279, Bribes given to an employee. Any person who hands over an employee any gift, present, makes a promise to him/her or provides him/her with any benefit in order for the latter to perform or to abstain from performing his/her duty, without the knowledge of the employer and without his/her consent, is punishable for an imprisonment of between 6 months and 2 years and a fine of between 1 million Riels and 4 million Riels. Article 280, Corruptions committed by individual, such as governor. 1. If a person specified in paragraphs 1 and 2 of Article 396, breach of special trust by a governor or another person, or an inspector received profits as properties or demanded or is promised to receive benefits from illegal assistance, he/she is punished to imprisonment of between 5 and 10 years. 2. Provisions of paragraph 1 above is also applicable with the person who provides benefits specified in paragraph 1 above or requests to provide or promise to provide the benefits. 3. Benefits as properties specified in paragraph 1 above will be confiscated. If they cannot be confiscated in whole or in any part, the missing parts are to be paid in monetary amount. Article 281, Attempt. Any attempt to commit misdemeanors specified in Article 278, Corruption committed by an employee, and Article 279, Bribes given to an employee, is punishable by the same penalties as misdemeanors. Article 282, Additional Penalties, Categories and Duration. For crimes mentioned in the present chapter, the following additional penalties may be pronounced. 1. Deprivation of certain civil rights definitely or for a period of not more than 5 years. 2. Posting the decision of sentence for a period of not more than 2 months. 3. Publication of the decision of sentence in the newspapers. 4. Broadcasting the decision of sentence by all means of audiovisual communications for a period of not more than 8 days. Article 283, Criminal Responsibilities of Legal Entities. Legal entities may be pronounced to be criminally responsible according to conditions of Article 42, Criminal Responsibilities of Legal Entities, for offenses provided in Article 279, Bribes given to an employee. Legal entities are punished to monetary fine from 5 million Riels to 20 million Riels and 1 or more additional penalties as followed. 1. Dissolution according to modalities determined by Article 170, Dissolution and Liquidation of Legal Entities. 2. Placement under the court surveillance according to modalities determined by Article 171, Placement under the court surveillance. 3. Prohibition against operating one or more activities according to modalities determined by Article 172, Prohibition from operating activities. 4. Expulsion from public marketplaces according to modalities determined in Article 173, Expulsion from public markets. 5. Prohibition against launching public campaign for fund saving according to modalities determined in Article 174, Prohibition against public campaign for fund saving. 5. Prohibition against launching public campaign for fund saving according to modalities determined in Article 174, Prohibition against public campaign for fund saving. 6. Confiscation of objects or funds which were intended to commit offenses according to modalities determined in Article 178, confiscation of ownership, sale and destruction of confiscated objects, and Article 179, confiscation and rights of the third parties. 7. Posting decision on punishment according to modalities determined by Article 180, posting decision. 8. Publication of decision on punishment on newspapers or broadcasting on all means of audio-visual communications according to modalities determined by Article 182, broadcasting decision by all means of audiovisual communication.